Hey everyone, welcome to Edox DC. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to transfer USDT, Tether, to Exness. Whether you're using Binance, OKX, KuCoin, or any other exchange, I'll cover everything you need to know to make a smooth transaction. Let's get started.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
First, log in to your Exness account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up on www.exness.com and complete your identity verification to activate deposits. Next, navigate to the deposit section. Once inside your dashboard, go to the deposit section. Here you'll find various funding methods. Click on Tether, USDT, under cryptocurrency options. Next, select the right network. Exness supports multiple blockchain networks for USDT deposits, including TRC20, Tron Network, fast and low fees, ERC20, Ethereum Network, more secure but higher fees, BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, lower fees but check compatibility. Make sure to choose the same network you'll use when sending USDT from your crypto wallet or exchange. Next, copy your Exness USDT deposit address. After selecting your network, Exness will generate a unique USDT deposit address. Copy this carefully, as sending funds to the wrong network could result in losing your crypto permanently. Then, withdraw USDT from your crypto exchange, Binance/OKX/Kraken withdrawal process. Now head over to your crypto exchange where your USDT is stored. The steps are generally similar across platforms like Binance, KuCoin, or OKX. First, go to Wallets, Spot Wallet, USDT. Second, click on Withdraw. Third, paste the Exness deposit address. Fourth, select the same network you chose on Exness. Then, enter the withdrawal amount and confirm. Double-check all details before confirming your withdrawal to avoid errors. Once you confirm the withdrawal, your exchange will process the transaction. USDT transfers on TRC20 usually take a few minutes, while ERC20 transfers may take to 30 minutes depending on network congestion. To track your transaction, use a blockchain explorer, TRC20, tronscan.org, ERC20, etherscan.io. Once the transaction is confirmed, your funds should appear in your Exness account. Next, verify your Exness balance. Go back to your Exness account and check your USDT balance in the wallet section. If the deposit is complete, you're ready to start trading or exchanging within Exness. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT to Exness. Before we wrap up, here are a few important tips. Always verify that the deposit address and blockchain network match. TRC20 is the fastest and cheapest option for most users. If your deposit takes too long, check the transaction status using a blockchain explorer. If you found this guide helpful, for more crypto tutorials, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. And for those who can help support this channel, because we are not yet monetized, and we need a pro video editor to improve our videos to make the images and effects more realistic and appropriate to the theme, please do not hesitate to donate via Gcash at 0935 543 3948. Your donation will help us improve our videos. Thank you very much for your understanding.